So hi everyone, welcome to our PD and this is Shubhya. So this video is going to be another important discussion on a GD topic, and that is moonlighting. Some organizations consider moonlighting as ethical and some organizations might consider it as unethical. What's your point of view about it? This is what we are going to discuss in this GD topic. Whenever such terminologies do arise, first in the introduction part, it's very important to actually explain the meaning of this terminology. Whenever we do some full-time job and we do some kind of a regular or part-time apart from it, that is termed as moonlighting. Now there are certain, you can say, reasons why people do practice moonlighting. Then there are like, what are the ethical considerations do come up in the mind when you practice moonlighting, and what are the challenges? Like some things are in favor of moonlighting and some people might have an opinion that is against moonlighting. So these are all the arenas which are we going to discuss in today's video. Let's start with the discussion on the topic, and first we need to understand the meaning of moonlighting. So moonlighting refers to the practice of doing a second job outside of regular working hours. It's often done to supplement income. For example, someone might work a full-time job during the day and then take a part-time job in the evenings or the weekend. So actually to increase, you can say, your income resource. That is the main reason why people do practice moonlighting. Now this is what we are going to understand. Why people moonlight? What is the reason? There are certain considerations. I always tell you out, whenever you are doing a group discussion, make sure you use headers. These are the headers which I talk about, financial reasons. Whenever you say that, okay, I want to draw your light that moonlighting is being practices due to certain financial reasons, and then the people can discuss it out. Yes, that there can be a supplement source of income. Sometimes you have big purchases, you want to do some big purchases, you have to overcome the expenses, you have to overcome your EMIs, and you have to pay off your debts and all that. So that is why the people do practice moonlight. It can be in a financial independence, that is to build an emergency fund or achieve financial goals faster. Like sometimes you are having a vision in your life and you want to increase your source of income. This is the best practice you can do, that you can moonlight it. Then it is your career development. Yes, one thing which is very advantageous is that you can be into different domains at a particular time. Second is it can increase your vocabulary, it can increase your content ways, you can be in a multitasking situation. So these are the things that are benefited also, like skill acquisition. You try to learn new skills, gain experience in different fields. That is advantages from the perspective of your career. Then it's a career change. Like suppose you are in the waters in a new industry, before making a full-time switch, like is it going to be feasible for you or not? You can practice first it as a part-time one. Then it's your entrepreneurship, to start a side hustle and potentially turn it into a full-time business. Like you started as a short-term plan for yourself, like you started as a entrepreneurship level, you started a business, but later you had a plan to leave your permanent job and you have to make that job only as a permanent one. But that is to avoid that risk factor, people do practice it out as moonlight. Then it is your personal fulfillment, some passion projects, you want to pursue your hobbies, interests out of your main job. You want a work-life balance, to have more control over their schedule and time. Sometimes people are there that what to do in the evenings, they try to increase their skill set, their potential, they want to have a good balance in their life. So that can be a one dimension in which people do practice moonlight. Then it is, what are the key ethical considerations? The way I told you that people do consider, some organizations may consider moonlighting as an ethical one, but there can be certain organizations which have their bonds that you cannot do moonlighting, you cannot practice any other job apart from this one because of multiple reasons. It can be that they are concerned about their data leakage, they are concerned about the efficiency of the employee. But some organizations we have heard about that they do practicize and normalize this moonlight, that it's okay. Even if you do two jobs, that's up to your wish. But the things or the part of our job should not be compromised. So that's the thing. The key ethical considerations are transparency, open communication with the primary employer about the second job can build trust. So you should be open while you're communicating. You should be informing your organization that yes, we are going to practice moonlight and it's not any kind of, you can say, problematic for you, because in this way you can build a trust. Then it is all about non-compete clauses. Adhering to non-compete agreements is essential to maintain ethical standards. Then it's like work-life balance should never be compromised. It should not be like you are you're negatively impacting your personal life in terms of just earning more. That should not be the take. And then it is your company policing, understanding and respecting the company's policies on moonlighting is also vital. Now, the two things which I'm going to share with you is some pointers which favor moonlighting and some pointers which are against moonlighting. First, it's financial necessity. So we understand that in today's world where everything is like the money is important, and you have that there are lots of the sources and everything is ranging at a higher side. The financial independence, or you can say financial necessity, is a key need of an hour, and that is why additional income, especially in this difficult economic times. Skill development, taking on extra work and learning new skills and gaining valuable experience are good for you. Personal freedom, some people argue that individuals should have the freedom to choose what they want, how they want to spend their time and labor, so personal freedom should be there. Apart from it, what are the arguments against moonlighting? So against, yeah, there is always a conflict of interest, because where an employee's loyalty is divided between two employers, and it can also reduce the efficiency of an employee. Diminished productivity, which we are talking about, that is extra work could lead to fatigue, decreased productivity in the primary job. Suppose you're working 9 to 5 in the morning, and in the evenings also you are going for 6 to 10. Your personal life is all hampered. Your personal growth in terms of your efficiency, it might be hampered because you feel lazy all the time. So that can be one thing. That is all about moonlighting. And breach of contract, many employment contradicts explicitly prohibit moonlighting, making it a breach of agreement. So yeah, ultimately whether moonlighting is ethical or non-ethical, it depends on the specific circumstances and individual manner values. There is no size fits all answers, because yes, it's quite subjective for the person to person, and about your own ethical considerations too. So that was all we need to understand like about moonlighting. You should be clear about the meaning, what are the key areas, like why people do moonlighting, and then it is like what are the ethical considerations that do come up when you practice moonlighting, and last but not the least, what are the pros and cons of it. So that was all the content which I have made in brief for you. These all contents are available in the documentation section of our downloads in the website. So you can go to the website, check out the download section, and you will GD topics over there. So yes, go and check the GD topic, download it fast, and then you practice more and more GDs with us. Take care, all the best, and have a good day. Bye bye.